What's up guys, welcome back to the next video on learning PHP. My name is QDS Dani and you guys watching my channel Coriowood. Alright, so in the previous video we have explained the PHP info and we have explained about the PHP configuration setting for your file upload, and we said that there are nearly six things you guys need to remember in a PHP configuration file. And the first one is maximum execution time, how long the PHP script takes for you guys to process your file uploading request, and maximum file uploads at the one time the PHP uploads 20. So, and then there is a maximum input time, and there is maximum post maximum size, and upload temporary directory, and the last one we said upload maximum file size. All right, so in this video we're gonna explain what is a file array, because image in PHP is an array. So you guys might have one image, you guys might have a lot of image. So there is a lot going on here behind the scenes with this photo. If you guys looking here, this is a blank, as we said in the previous video, this is a blank photo that we are that resides in our directory here, images. You guys not uploading this one, you guys just putting the path. So the path is form images blank profile png, and that's what you guys see this one. But if you guys want to upload, your file should come here where it says upload here. If you, I'm going to close these images, and if opening this uploads, your file should come here. So how to bring that? In order for you guys to move your file from A to B, say for example, uploading means in PHP is that in computer science, upload means that you guys move one photo, which is this photo, from A to B. Say from A means your computer, and from B means you guys whatever you guys want to move, it's your live server or live computer. So if you put it here, press this one, choose file, it goes there in our pictures and profile test. That's what I created this folder for, just put a few photos here for uploading purposes. All right, so this is moving from my computer to the server here, which is localhost, and from localhost you guys need to make another path for this one to show here. You guys can do that. It's very easy. Alright, so now we have input. As you guys going to see that my input type is a file, and name we put an image. Keep in mind this name image is very important because we're going to need it. I put an ID as image as well. I put an input submit, and I have a name upload, and the value is upload, and that's what you guys see on the screen, on my screen here. Choose file, because that's input file, and that's a upload. So you guys going to see it side by side. If you guys want to see it like up and down, you guys can do that. Just put a break in between, and it's going to show you guys breakout next line is going to show you guys the next line, this one. But it doesn't matter because we're just learning, no problem if you guys put it here or here underneath, doesn't matter, it makes any difference. But I'm going to show you guys on here. So from here, then we're going to move from computer to our upload directory here. All right, so in order for us to do that, first we need to understand the form. So how the form works in PHP. As I said to you guys in the previous videos about get and post, and I said that action, you guys can either upload the file to itself, so you guys send it to itself, or with the post, or you guys can send it to another page. It depends, up to you guys, but in my case I put a PHP self because I want to upload to itself, the form to itself. And I have here post, and you guys going to look here, that's method post because we are posting. There is something new here, it's called ink type multi-part form data. For every image, you guys, if you want to upload image, you guys need to put this. If you guys remove this, then the PHP is not gonna upload this one. This one instruct the PHP, because this says multi-part, it's a form data. It means there is a data coming to our server. So it means you guys instruct in PHP to put the file into your server, whatever. If you live servers, because in our case we are doing localhost, so you guys need to put this. This one, then this one is a file, input type file, and the name is image, and we have a submit, which is upload, and the value is upload. So if you're looking here, that's a input type file, and that's input type submit. So there is a two input type here. All right, so you guys need to understand, as I said to you guys about the image array. So if we create a say PHP, the first thing is that in order for us to understand that there's a two part in uploading PHP. So if it's files, the files coming, what's the variable you guys want to upload? The variables image. So the first one is image, and keep in mind this input type. When we click here, input type, and say there is we're going to upload one of these picture, this goes to temporary file. So in for us there's going to be multi-dimensional array, then the multi-dimensional array is going to say tmp name. So this is array tmp name, and then there is another function called php. Then you guys need to move this to this folder here with their original name. So if there's a girl, you guys can just put a temporary name here. Then the next one you guys need to put files, and then you guys need to put files. Okay, and then it's going to be say image again, and then you guys need to put a name. Why you guys need to put a name? Because in order for us to put it inside here, you guys need the original name of the image. There is only two parts, that's it. You guys can upload whatever inside the PHP with just 2 lines of code. Okay, so now our PHP is ready. So I'm going to show you guys what is how the PHP form array works. So, and before doing that, so I'm gonna leave it here, and before doing that I'm gonna create something called in PHP is called pre. Pre is a very good way if you guys want to look at the behind the scene, what happens behind the scene. And print r is also a good way, as I explained to you guys in our arrays and associative arrays, that print r, if you guys looking behind the mechanics of the PHP, what happens behind the scene. All right, so now we're going to put an if, and what's going to be if we're going to put a is set. If the user is set, is set, and what's the set inside the PHP? We put a dollar post. If it's dollar post, if it's set the dollar post, and users putting say submit or upload, because in our case previously we used submit, but you guys can use the name of this one. You don't have to use the submit type. You guys can use the name always. You guys make sure you guys use the name. So we put an upload. So if everything's set inside the upload, if the user clicks that one, then what happens? If the user clicks that one, then we're going to put a print r. So we do print r, and what you guys want to see when you guys do the print r, it says expression. Then you guys means that you guys want to see the files. That's what we want to see. All right, so semicolon here. Just you guys make sure you guys save that one. So there is 2 lines here. If you guys look in here, there is a pre, which means you guys want to preview the mechanics of the PHP, what happens behind the scene with the pre and print r. Keep in mind, you guys need to remember this one. Everywhere inside the PHP, as a PHP developer, you guys need to remember this too. So the pre and preview, you guys need to make sure wherever you guys putting, you guys want to know what happens behind the scene, and if you guys getting any error, because sometimes PHPs won't give you guys error, and you guys going to be in trouble if you guys don't see the error. Okay, so now we're gonna put a PHP file. If is set post upload, then we want to print our files on inside our files. We don't want these variables here, so we're gonna just remove that, because we only just want to see the files. What happens the files array? Keep in mind it's plural, it's not a file. So if you notice, it's not a file. It's files, it's plural. That's what it's have an array. So the array is always associative array like that. Okay, so it's a file. If it's set post upload, and if everything's said about this upload, then we want to see the mechanics behind the scene. Then we want to see the print r. We want to see the files. Okay, so we go ahead, and we're going to try to upload a file here. So we're going to choose a file. So we choose this Lotus. You guys want to choose the Lotus. You're going to just one image. if you guys looking here, it says lotus.jpg. When you guys upload, you guys going to see the array. So this says image array. In what's array, you guys going to see the name is lotus, and when you guys do this, you guys going to see that if you guys look in here, it says item type JPG file, dimension is 1920 by 1280, size is 249 KB. So 209 KB is well within our limits of 2 megabytes. If you guys have like a we have another photo here is 64 kilobytes. We have another photo here which is 454 kilobytes. Make sure when you guys are running live server, you guys make sure put a limit. Sometimes the user is going to come and upload a crazy like 10 megabytes file inside your server, and it's going to take a lot of space. And sometimes if you guys running a live server, then your hosting company might charge you because they charge you per gigabytes or something like that. So if you have say 10,000 users, and 10,000 users even if like hundreds of them come and upload like a 10 megabytes file in your server, then you're going to be in trouble. Then you're going to run out of space, and your hosting company might send you a bill to say that you guys running out of space, then you guys need to upgrade for a higher more space. So and if you guys if you look in here in a lot of websites, they put a limit. They said your file should not be more than say 5 megabytes or 2 megabytes or 3 megabytes. Gone are the days then when we had like kilobytes images. So now every image like some images like crazy 10 megabytes, some images like 12 megabytes, some images like 5. So that you guys going to see a lot of images which is like 2 megabytes or 3 megabytes. All right, so and it says the type, that's the MIME type inside the computer server. It says image and JPEG. So if we have a JPG and JPEG is a more advanced version of the JPG. It's the same as JPG, but it's more advanced because it has got a lot to do with the pixels. And it says temporary name. Where is the temporary name? Temporary name is inside the C or C folder, web64 TMP PHP 9441. So that's what the PHP is taking this one to here in our C folder. Then it goes to take web64 and it takes it here to TMP. It's taking here inside this TMP. Sometimes you don't see it, but don't worry about that. So that's what the PHP is going to take in this one to here. And it says error is 0, and the size is 255572. That's a kilobyte. How many kilobytes you guys get? And if you look in here, the size is a little bit more, and it's 249 kilobytes. So you get a little bit more size, but this doesn't matter as long as it's within your limit of whatever you guys set the limit of 2 megabytes, because it's well below the 2 megabytes. So this is a image array, and that's an image array behind the scenes. So how you guys going to see, I'm going to repeat again, how you guys going to see like this is because when we're going to put a preview, that's a pre in the HTML is let you guys know, see behind the mechanics of this one. So otherwise you guys won't be able to see with the preview and with the print R. So the pre is show you guys, let you guys set the environment, and with the print R, it's gonna let you guys look at the behind the mechanics, what happens behind the scene. So this is the image arrays, and keep in mind it has a name, it has a type, it has a TMP, it has an error, and it has a size. If you guys get an error, then you guys need to check your servers, PHP INI, what's the error? Either the file is corrupted, or either the file is way more than your set image file. Say if your file is 5 megabytes, and you set 2 megabytes, then you guys get an error here 1. So if you guys for other purposes you guys get an error, it means there is some problem, as I showed you guys about the 6 types in your PHP configuration files. If you guys don't get an error, it means you guys are good to go. Alright, so now how we gonna move this file, this Lotus, to our here upload directory. So, and then for that one to happen, then we're gonna remove this pre, because we are done with this one, and we're gonna remove this print files as well, because we are done this one. Now we're gonna see there is another image called in PHP. It's called move files. So it says there is a PHP. There is a script called there is a file in build file. It says move uploaded file. You guys going to see this everywhere. So the mechanics of this one is the first is says the file name, and you guys know the file name here, and there is a destination. So this is the destination. It means the destination is in our upload. So how the PHP is going to know where the destination is? So how the PHP is know? So now that's fine. If you copy this one, the first one, and we put our file name, which is resides inside the TMP file, we're gonna tell the PHP, look, move our file from position of A to destination of B. So if it says image, and we have the same name as image there, and we have a destination there. So how would the PHP knows then what's your destination, what's file here, because this is upload. And if you guys look in here, it says C WEMP64 www forms profile PHP. It means that's profile we are at the moment in this file here. So how would the PHP knows where to go? Because that's only the image name. So if you copy that one and put it here, then now the PHP move uploaded file going to say, all right, so now you have a file. I'm going to look for an image inside the TMP name with a temporary name, and then I'm going to move the file image to the name. That's fine. It says everything's fine, but where? It's like a parcel. You guys going inside the office to pick up the parcel, and it gives you the parcel. You guys need the address of that parcel, where to take it. But imagine if someone just put the name of the receiver and they said that's it. So then you guys going to be confused. You guys going to go back. It says what's the path? It means where I'm going to take this one. Just like a pizza delivery or McDonald's delivery, any other delivery, you guys need to know the path. If the customer don't provide you with the path, it means you guys got a problem. Some programmers, they put it like upload directory. Some people dir, like uploads dir. It means they make a lot easier for themselves that they upload dir means uploading directory. So then you guys need to come here, and you guys need to put here two double quotes, and you guys need to put the path. So what's the path here? Look, guys, look here. It says C web on the corner, on the top left hand corner. If you guys look here, web 64 www forms profile.php. It means you guys here, but if you look in here, we are on our local disk and local C. And if you guys look in here, we are at the web64. If you guys use your XAMPP is here. So when we go here, it means that's our TMP file. And where is our folder? Our folder resides in www. And which one is that? We are here in the form, and it's upload here. So it's got a web64 www forms upload. That's your destination. So if you guys right click, and if you guys go to properties, and then that's what you guys going to see your location. That's the location of the forms. So if you copy, you guys can copy this one. So I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna copy, and you guys gonna see here we are on uploads. You guys can do this. So we're gonna come here and put our path. All right, so now our path covers us all the way here. We're gonna do the forms, and after the forms we're gonna do uploads. So we do uploads, and we put this, and now you guys might be wondering why I'm putting here. If you guys look in here, that's the Windows way of assigning things, separating the directories. So if you go, say for example, any other operating system, or mainly in PHP, you guys going to see this way. So it's directory A1, then it's going to be directory 2. Then that's how you guys going to go with the right with the forward slash, but that's how the Windows. But How about if we change this one and we put it like that? So I'm going to change this one as well, and I'm going to change this one as well, and I'm going to change this one as well. Keep in mind, if you guys see this one, you guys are going to see the do back arrows, double back arrows, and now here I just put a single arrows. Now you guys look in here that it says C WEM64 www forms uploads. It's upload, our upload is here. Make sure you guys put this one like that. If you guys don't put it here, then you guys are going to be in trouble, because this one says inside the directory. Put this one inside the directory. Alright, so now you guys have but you guys go normally in live server, because it's got nothing to do with the Windows or Mac or Linux, because it's a live server. You guys are going to put it this way. So this is a very good habit, that from now you guys learning how to put forward slash instead of the Windows way of separating the directories. So we're gonna come here, and we need to put the path here. So we put upload dir, our image dir. So whatever you guys want to feel like, okay, you guys gonna put it here. So you guys gonna put I'm gonna put a dollar, I'm gonna put upload dir, and you guys gonna put a dot. Keep in mind there is a dot to let you now the PHP knows that this is the path I'm gonna put the file. So that's what the PHP is gonna do. So move uploaded file. Uploaded file is inbuilt PHP function that moves the function from the source to the destination. Simple as that. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Then you guys gonna see that a lot of people they put it if upload okay. Say they put a lot of variable upload okay equal to 1. Or upload not okay equal to upload fail equal to 0. You guys gonna see this way. This is a good way as well, but because we are beginning to know how to upload, you guys need to know the basics. Then you guys can put the maximum size. If you guys want to say if you guys worried that the users gonna put some humongous file, you guys need to come here, and you guys need to define. So you guys open another PHP script here, PHP here, tag here. So you guys gonna put a PHP, and then you guys need to put define some. If you guys want your directory or something, say max allowed, for example, is for example you guys need to put whatever you guys like. Say for example you guys need to put a 5, or you guys need to put a 5, or you guys need to put a, for example, you guys need to put 7 megabytes. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 7 megabytes. Or you guys can do 2. Okay, so you guys need to put, then you guys have a variable here, maximum allowed. Then you guys need to come here, and you guys need to, before you guys start this input, you guys need to put another input, and you guys need to put a hidden, and what's the name, and the name is constant, but that's inside the PHP, and you guys need to put the value is going to be the max allowed. Okay, so we are putting a PHP, and you guys need to put your tags, and you guys need to put another tag here to close it. Okay, so now the HTML knows that I have I'm not going to put anything more than this value of 2 megabytes. Okay, so what you guys are going to put the name? You guys need to put a constant inside the PHP, which is inbuilt file maximum file size. So you guys need to put a max, and you guys need to put a file size. So you guys need to put a maximum file size, and when we come here and we go at the back, you guys might see this file. You guys might see an error. Okay, so we're gonna go at the back, and we're gonna go here, and you guys are gonna see here that there is various hidden maximum file size. Now everyone knows that you guys set the limit. Okay, so if you guys don't want this, but don't worry about this if you guys don't want, but we're gonna try with this. If you guys get error, okay, So now we set the maximum file size and we look at the PHP directory here. Now we're gonna go here and we are go try to upload a file. Say for example Lotus, and we want to upload. So we're gonna see and the Lotus here. So if you look in here, we put out Lotus, so it means that our file has successfully been uploaded in our directory. So we're going to try another one. We're going to try, we're going to go and say woman. We're going to open. Now it's inside the PHP temporary directory. We're going to put upload, and you're going to see that upload is going to be here. So looks like it's not there. Then we're gonna see why it's not there. So I'm gonna refresh this one and we're gonna try again. I'm gonna do this one. So Roman 1, we put upload. Okay, so it looks like there is a problem here with our maximum allowed. So how about if we remove this maximum allowed, then we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna put this and we put upload, and you guys gonna see that there was a problem with our script here. Sometimes it gives you error, and the reason I've done that, if you guys going for your live website, but if you guys not doing your live website, don't worry. Then we're gonna come here, we put another file here, we put a Milky Way here. So our Milky Way goes here. So that's our Milky Way. So we are moving successfully, uploading the file from our computer in our upload directory. So how easy is that? If you guys look in here, you guys be doing with just a few lines of code, you guys uploading the file, and from there you guys from here you guys then gonna display here. Once you guys put inside your directory, then it's going to be very easy for you guys to upload some sort of here. So for example, if you guys want to target directory, but I don't want to confuse you at the moment, then now you guys needs to know the mechanics of the upload, how upload works, and how you guys going to manipulate the image. So you guys make sure you guys practice this with the upload directory. That's your upload directory, and you guys need to remember this move uploaded file image, that's your temporary name, and you guys need to know the path, and the path's gonna be that's our path. You guys need to define the path, and from the path you guys need to know define the image name. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave comment box. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.